Good morning, everyone. It is day 6 of digital learning, and I'm going to go through your math with you. This is Miss Cannon. Let me clear that off my screen. Okay. So, as I said, it's Monday, March 23rd. You should be looking at the paper that says Day 1, How does a wheelbarrow make work easier? Okay, so I'm going to first start by going over the vocabulary. Today we will be reading about levers, which is a simple machine with a bar that allows heavy objects to be lifted or moved. Okay, and that is a lever. It tells you how to pronounce it right here if you have trouble with it. Then we have a wheel and axle. Again, it tells you how to pronounce it right there. A simple machine made from a wheel rotating around a fixed point. All right, our last vocabulary term is wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow, there's the pronunciation guide right there. A machine used for carrying heavy loads, made up of a wheel and axle, a lever, and a container. Okay, so I'm going to read through this and then go over some of the questions with you just to help clarify what they want from you. Okay, wheelbarrows have been used in almost every culture for thousands of years. People recognized that having a container that could easily lift and move would help them do more work. Wheelbarrows provide mechanical advantage by joining a container with two simple machines. These simple machines are the lever and the wheel and axle. Okay, so they're saying by joining the lever and wheel and axle and this container part, it makes the wheelbarrow. Okay, so remember when you're reading, I do want to say this, remember when you're reading that using the pictures to help you answer the questions is very important, okay? And especially when we have text features, that's what these are, text features, when they're labeled and they tell you different parts of things. Make sure you're paying attention to those because sometimes they can answer your question just as well as the reading can, okay? All right, the first question says, what are the 3 parts of the wheelbarrow? So we know that's going to be somewhere where they explained what the wheelbarrow was, or it could be in a picture, so just keep that in mind. All right, and number 2, which parts of a wheelbarrow are simple machines? Okay, there are, again, you can find some answers in the vocabulary and you can find some answers in the paragraph. All right, I hope that went through that well enough for you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Remind 101 or Dojo. I will be here all day. Thanks.